Guys, let's get down the branches to the ground because of the icicles. See, you can see that icicles in the pine tree. That's what happened. And look at the bar. Guys, nah, it will cut already the branch yesterday. That here it's in the ground, and now it's in the ground. Oh, see, and look, see, it's a lot of woods. It's falling down with the because we have a ice storm. See, look what's happening if you have a ice storm. All trees are full of ice, and it cut down the branches of the trees. Guys, so the lilac trees become have a lot of icicles. See, you can see that one. Also the pine tree, it's become icicles. And then here, so there's a lot of trees falling down the branches in the back. Guys, this now what's happening is a snow or trees, lilac. It's this happen. See, it's become a snow tree. Oh, and there it's cut all the branches. See, you cannot go there near, maybe it will falling down to us. So it's still raining here. That's happening. Oh, it's almost the branches is get down in the ground. Look, so icicles in the up. So that's happening here. See, yeah, it's March turkey. Okay. Oh, it's falling down. I heard some rocking. It's here. We are here in the car. We charged because we have no current till now.